Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. And welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go! Today, we are showing you this modern contemporary house for sale located inside the secured subdivision here in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is Lear Landers and Marquee Mall. This property is priced at 19.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 174 square meters, floor area of 330 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, laundry area, balcony, garden, swimming pool, and carport for 2 SUVs. As we can see, guys, this is situated on a corner lot in an exclusive subdivision. We have this clean design, very modern but clean. We have your pedestrian gate right here and your 2-car carport. Guys, very nice detail because yung sidewalk niya, guys, tiniles nila. Very nice. Okay? Of course, you have your landscaping in the front. Let's go in. Guys, yung design ng gate nila, oh, it's metal but it has wood accents. Really nice. To my left, we have a garden right here. May steps tayo going to the pool. Later on, we will see that. Of course, to the other side is your 2-car carport, which has, of course, your water faucet is here. Meron na rin tayong mga outlets. And I appreciate the fact that they placed yung mga storage dito and more storage on the side here. Really nice. This side is your service area. Pakita na rin natin since we're here. This will be your daily kitchen. Of course, your laundry is here. Tapos may mga louvers siya dito, guys, sa ating fence for ventilation. So, yung fresh air nakakapasok. Really nice, no? Very good choice of tiles din sa ating flooring. Now, let's go back to the main door. Guys, really nice detail kasi may screen na tayo for your protection sa mga insects natin. But let's open that a bit. Main door natin is a wooden door with traditional lock. Of course, and upon entry, you will see the spacious living area na meron tayong sectional sofa dito na L-shaped. Of course, we have your carpeting here, your center table, and a very nice chandelier on the ceiling. Plus, guys, kung makikita natin yung very nice na curtains natin around the house. Big windows, very bright. Of course, we have our air conditioning, we have our CCTV, and this is our console for your TV and storage under. Now, unahin natin dito sa side na to before we go to the rooms. We have this gate right here, very secure, going to your swimming pool, guys. You have this pool right here. Right now, tinitreat siya. Ayan, we have this water feature right here. Diba? Very nice. And if you have kids, guys, so it's very safe because pwede mo siyang i-close. Pwede mo siyang i-close ng ganyan so that the kids can't access without the adult supervision. Very nice, no? Okay, let's go back in. Now, one more look sa ating living room. Very nice. Now, pag dumiretso tayo dito, this will be your dining area. Your dining table will be placed under these beautiful lights here. I think kasya dito ang 6-seater, 8-seater. No problem. Very spacious. Itong door dito leads to the daily kitchen. Of course, you have your formal kitchen right here. You have your range hood. We have a microwave right here. A L-shaped na countertop. You have your sink. Lighted din siya, guys, with outlets and storage over the counters. And of course, we have this, I think this is a bar if you like to drink, or pwede rin tong coffee station for your coffee machine. Really nice, no? On the ground floor, we have one bedroom right here. If you have your elderly or you really want to to stay on the ground floor, pwedeng guest room. This window overlooks the pool. You have your console right here, and of course your cabinetry is installed right there. Okay? May air conditioning na rin siya, na inverter. Now, under the stairs, you have your first toilet and bath right here. So you have your sink, your toilet, and your shower with water heater already. Very nice. May water heater na siya. Okay? And a nice space right here under the stairs for storage. Now let's go up on the second floor. Wooden handrails. Tiled yung stairs natin. We have this very nice PVC fluted panel sa ating mid-landing. Really nice. Upon landing natin, we have a space right here. Ay, paano ba to? Sorry. Yan. Ang daming options ng lights natin. But this one is your family area. Nice, you have a console right here. Sofa. This door leads to the front of the house sa balcony natin. Come on guys, ang lawak niya. Look. And very airy. You have a faucet right here. Meron din tayong outlets dyan. So in case kailangan nyo dito mag barbecue or gathering, pwedeng-pwede dyan. And ang ganda ng view kasi nga, corner lot. So, and makikita nyo yung mga streets dito malalawak. Okay? Now, let's go back in. This door right here is your master bedroom. So, upon entry, interesting din yung design ng tiles niya. You have a big bed right here. Morning sun. By the way, guys, the front of the house is a morning sun orientation. You have your console right there. And of course, your walk-in closet. And toilet and bath is right here. Ang daming storage, guys. In toilet and bath natin, very spacious. You have your toilet, your shower with heater, and of course, your sink is right here. This door is another bedroom. Okay, so big bed. Kahit malaki yung bed, you have a lot of space to move around. You have your console right here, your cabinets. And maganda rin yung height ng ceiling sa second floor natin. I must point that out. This door is another room. Really nice, similar to the other rooms also. You have cabinets, you have vanity or your console right here, and your bed with air conditioning. And lastly, this one is another room on the second floor. Big bed. But this one, guys, the difference is it has access to the balcony. You have a console right here, of course, your cabinets, and may vanity rin siya dito. Okay, really nice. Now, this door is the shared bathroom. Ito yung bathroom natin for the 3 rooms na pinakita natin. Ito, spacious siya. You have a ventilation right here, shampoo niche, shower with heater, toilet, and your sink. Ang ganda. Ito, maganda to sa malaking family kasi marami siyang rooms. That's one more look sa ating family area. Now, let's go down for the recap.
This property is priced at 19.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 174 square meters, floor area of 330 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, laundry area, balcony, garden, swimming pool, and carport for 2 SUVs.